Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a psychology exam. First, establish a clear study schedule at least 1 week before your exam. This helps you allocate sufficient time to each topic. Next, break down large, complex subjects into smaller, more manageable sections. Finally, gather all your essential course materials, including lecture notes, textbooks, and any provided study guides, to ensure you have everything you need readily available. To truly master the material, engage in active learning. Instead of just rereading, actively recall information by quizzing yourself on key terms and concepts. Try explaining complex psychological theories aloud as if you are teaching someone else. This solidifies your understanding. Additionally, create flashcards for important definitions, prominent theories, and influential researchers to aid in memorization and quick review. Once you've covered the material, it's time to practice and refine. Review any past quizzes or assignments to pinpoint areas where you made mistakes and understand why. Then, challenge yourself with sample questions or even a full mock exam to simulate the real testing environment. This helps you identify specific topics where you might feel less confident, allowing you to allocate extra study time there. On exam day, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before. A well-rested mind performs better. Before heading to the exam, eat a balanced meal and stay well-hydrated to maintain focus and energy throughout. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other helpful deals to support your busy student life. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.